To change wallpaper on Redmi Note 14 Pro, you will have to start by opening Settings. And next, you will have to scroll down and go into Wallpaper and Personalization. When you are here, you will have to select this online wallpapers, or for example, the default wallpapers like system or some new wallpapers. In my case, let's say that I would like to get this cat as my wallpaper, so I'll have to tap to preview, and by moving on my finger, I'm gonna just show you one more time, I can actually change how it looks. As you can see here, I've got some kind of the issue, so I have to just close it and open it one more time for some reason. If you get the same issue, just do this one more time. There we go. Now you'll have to pick a wallpaper that you want to get, click apply and select to set as a home screen. Now as you can see, wallpaper has changed successfully.